Tansi. I'm Suzanne Wilman Chapel-Skalula. I have come to give this message of truth, justice, hope, and freedom. Listen carefully to my words. Let it be known that I, Suzanne Chapel, being of sound mind and body, a hereditary Métis from Red River, Saskatchewan, whose ancestors came to the land known as Canada in the year 1748, do proclaim the re-establishment of the Provisional Government as set forth by Louis Riel in 1869. As a descendant of leaders that established sovereign laws in both mother and native countries, I hereby converge Adminiculum of common native laws, which state that we the people have the right to protect our land, water, and resources, and direct all persons of sound body, mind, and spirit to rights and actions that shall re-establish our stewardship of this planet called Earth, as it is the vow of the Fisher Kings of Europe and the mother tribes of this land called Canada. We ratify this stewardship and create the order that includes all falsely founded and detrimental, undemocratic administrative resources to stand down and cease and desist all actions, orders, and statutes that have created a harmful and peaceless environment in which we have been forced to live. We include within this statute all military, RCMP, police forces, municipal, governmental, clerical, and administrative sources in this order, in this stand-down order, under the statute of electoral fraud. That the federal elections in this country were won fraudulently and are running this country known as Canada under false pretenses, and therefore we are living under the yoke of a dictatorship, and therefore are serving a false government, and are therefore obliged to relegate and officiate the common native law, which was the preceding governing law of this country known as Canada or Canada, and effect a coup d'etat to re-establish the rights and common law which protect the survival interests of the people who reside here in this aforesaid land. Furthermore, all persons, businesses, clergy, and governmental administrative resource personnel which operate in a manner detrimental to the common good and welfare of the people, or that opposes our common rights to clean and proper water, air, land, housing, and food, shall be exposed and are ordered to remove themselves from any political or clerical official office, or they shall be subject to citizen or deputized arrest and shall be tried for their crimes against humanity and the common good of the people which they have sworn to serve in a common law court, and subject to sentencing upon the presentation and deliberation of evidence of their crimes. This provisional government, as set forth by my ancestors, shall henceforth be named as the Commonwealth of Terra. By my rights as a lineage holder in this country known as Canada, and in the lands known as Europe, and the powers vested in me as an ordained priestess in the Ecclesia Gnostica Catholici, within which I have taken vows to protect and shepherd my people to truth and justice, I hereby proclaim through Adminiculum the Commonwealth of Terra to now be founded, ratified, nurtured, and sustained from this point forward. Amen. Aho Megwech Masicho Lim Lim. On this day of January 11th, 2015. The order has been given.